For sale $1,500 or best
Somebody
offer.
put it out for trash, and they were going to take it to the scrapyard. This is a Scottman, and these units brand new is about $2,600. We got a